G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we're going to be talking about something inexpensive and cheap, the spark plug. So essentially, a spark plug enables current to travel down it. It jumps between two of the electrodes, which then creates a spark, which then ignites the fuel inside the cylinder and creates a combustion, which then moves the piston down, which then creates force, which then creates drive and enables you to go on your right foot and send it down the road. So spark plugs are cheap, they're inexpensive, they're super affordable. It's easy enough to carry half a dozen of these in the car. And the best thing about a spark plug is not only are they easy to change and super cheap to buy, but also it tells a story of the internals of the engine. Now, a spark plug tells many different stories depending on what the application you're using it for is. So there are different types of spark plugs, whether it's hot or cold plugs, depending on the climate and the usage that you're using for the car. In my case, I like to use a BP6ES, which pretty much suits everything that I need to do in grace behind me. Now, a really good thing about a set of spark plugs is that when you remove them, it tells a story as to how the internal condition of the engine is. So it could be quite burnt, which could mean that it's running too rich, so it's not getting enough air, or it could be the complete opposite. It could be white and may be burning too hot because of bad fuel, or the car is overheating because you don't have the right amount of glycol in the cooling system. So they do tell a story, and it's really easy to pull them out, have a look and see what's going on inside the engine and help diagnose any faults. These are a serviceable item. I generally change mine every 6 to 12 months, depending how often I use the car. In the colder months, generally I try to change them to a different plug compared to summer. So you're running a hot plug in comparison to a cold plug at different times of the year. Like I said, you can use different plugs depending on what you're doing. You may want to change them more often depending if you're doing circuit racing, if you're doing track, or even if you're just doing any sort of basic driving once a month on a sunny Sunday. So it really just depends on how you're using the vehicle as to how often you need to change these suckers. They are available from many different part shops, but they're also available at Minisport. So make sure to check out the full range at minisport.com.au, and we'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.